Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Shop Miss A haul. I have 2 bags technically. I'm going to go through these quite fast. There is a few items I've already taken out. So for the first bag, there was, sorry, ignore the dogs, 2 of these, and these are the iPhone protectors. There's these really cool things on here. I haven't tested it out yet. I think I'm going to put my GoPro in there and try to test it out to see if it actually works. I gave one to my sister, so hers is purple. You'll see a photo of that. I'm hoping that they work. So there's that. And then I picked this up here. This is the AOA Sunday Afternoon Eyeshadow Palette. And they're actually really pretty. I may have tried this one already. So there's that. I really like this shadow. I only used 2 of the eyeshadow, so that's not too bad. And then there's this super cute little keychain. This is a little dog, Day of the Dead dog keychain. I picked up 2. These were the random ones, so I didn't know which ones I was getting, but the other one I gave to my sister. Then I picked this up here, the micro brow pencil or pen. It has little fine strokes. I haven't tried this out yet. If you want to see a video of me trying out some of the makeup products that I've bought recently, there isn't a lot of them, but to do a test out, let me know in the comments below. And I picked this one up in, I think, medium brown. Yeah. Then there is here, and I took the test. There's a skin test that you can take, and it tells you kind of the best stuff for your skin. So I picked up a array of things. This is the 100 or 10,080 whatever hyaluronic acid and Timula oil. This is the jelly sheet mask, and then this is the pretty much the same thing. It's just their barrier cream, so it's hydrating. Then there is this one, and this is the coconut water complex, and this is face wash. Has incredible hydrating properties. Soak on a cotton pad with the cleansing water. Massage into skin. Oh, it's like a toner. I think it doesn't wait. Let's see if it says to rinse. Oh no, it's the first step, and then it says to use your favorite gel or cream cleanser after. Okay, so this is like a micellar water. And then there's this, and this is the toner. So this is like the same kind of the hyaluronic toner. So that was everything in my bag number 1. Bag number 2 has a bit more stuff in it. Let's just go for it. Bag number 2 has a lot of repurchases. These here are the eye masks. These are the warming eye masks, and I got a pack of 12 of them. These are really, really nice. When I have a really bad headache, I get bad migraines, and these are really good for that. And then I picked up this sleeping mask. This is their 3D sleeping mask, and it's kind of what it looks like. It's in gray. I use these when I have really bad headaches, so I can block out like light and stuff when I'm taking naps if I need to because of a migraine. Also use them when I'm on a vacation. Not that I'm going anywhere anytime soon, but there is one planned, so I'm hoping that I'll make use of this on that vacation. Then I have these cooling patches, and I really wanted to try these. These are the Cooling Relief Joint Patches. They're good for muscle relief, soothing headaches, migraines, coolness, no need to refrigerate, stays in place. And then you can cut it down to size. So I tried to decide I was gonna pick up 3 of these. These were $1 each. So I will let you know if those work well or not. Then I picked up a pack of hair clips. So these are just the AOA styling hair clips. I really like these for when I'm doing styles and trying to pull my hair out of the way. And then I picked this up here, and this is called the Whirly. This is a beauty blender holder. And I've noticed that I tend to keep my beauty blender just kind of on my desk all willy-nilly, so I figured that was a good idea to put in. Then I picked up some foiled balloons. There's a straw in here. There's a 4 and a 0. This is for somebody's birthday party. And then I'll do the makeup, I guess. Okay, so then I picked up this AOA Studio Soothe Lips Coconut Lip Mask. So this is like one of those lip masks where you put on overnight and it repairs your lips. So I'm going to try that one out. Then I picked this up here, and this is a Slim Brow Eye Pencil, or Eyebrow Pencil. Figured I'd try that. And then also I picked up this Hold My Brow. This is, I guess it's a clear brow soap, which I've never really tried the clear soap brow thing, so I figured I'd give that a go. I have one more item in here that is not hair or jewelry, and this is what this looks like. There is no tag on it. This is to hold bags. So the oh, there's a tag in here, and this is a plastic bag dispenser. So it's got the handle, and then it's got a little bit of like a little thing down here to kind of put your bags. Oh, it kind of smells like cigarette smoke. That's weird. Okay. So that is what that looks like. And then I'm going to try to organize some of my plastic bags. Then for hair accessories, I picked up 3 sets of these. One of them is going to be for my niece, but they're cute little teddy bears. I love these. I already have, I think, 2, but these are literally my favorite ones, and I am not gonna lie, I bought 3 just in case, because they're usually sold out. So one of them's for my niece, but they picked these up, and these are for, I like to put them in braids when I'm doing like French braids and stuff to kind of make it look super cute. So there's that. Then there is this here, and this is 2 clips that have, or 2 bobby pins that have like fake diamonds in, and then this big clip here. Thought those were really cute. And then for the last thing that I picked up, and these are earrings, and they're pearl earrings, but they look like, so they have little shells, and then they have the pearls hanging out in the shells. So I thought that was super cute. They don't look super cheap, but sometimes with jewelry they tend to be cheap, so I'll give those a test out. All right. Well, that was everything for this month's haul. I have already placed another order, so I've already started on the next one, but that was everything. I'm not trying to buy as much makeup lately, and I'm trying not to spend money on things that I don't really actually am going to use or need, so that's kind of where I am at for these Shop Miss A hauls. But when new things come out, I do like to try them, especially because they're so inexpensive. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a good old thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. Well, I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!